Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see class 9 subject maths chapter 4 ratio and proportion practice set 4.2. So question number 1, using the property A upon B is equal to AK upon BK, fill in the blanks by substituting proper numbers in the following. First, 5 upon 7 is equal to fill in the blank upon 28 is equal to 35 upon fill in the blank is equal to fill in the blank upon 3.5. Solution: 5 upon 7 is equal to fill in the blank upon 28. So 7 4s are 28. So is equal to 5 multiplied by 4 upon 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20 upon 28. 5 upon 7 is equal to 35 upon fill in the blank. So 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. So we will multiply by 7 in numerator and denominator. So is equal to 5 multiplied by 7 upon 7 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35 upon 49. Again 5 upon 7 is equal to fill in the blank upon 3.5. So 7 5s are 35. 7 multiplied by 0.5 is 3.5. So in numerator and denominator we will multiply it by 0.5. So 5 multiplied by 0.5 upon 7 multiplied by 0.5 is equal to 2.5 upon 3.5. So therefore 5 upon 7 is equal to 20 upon 28 is equal to 35 upon 49 is equal to 2.5 upon 3.5. Second, 9 upon 14 is equal to 4.5 upon fill in the blank is equal to fill in the blank upon 42 is equal to fill in the blank upon 3.5. Solution: 9 upon 14 is equal to 4.5 upon fill in the blank. So 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. So 9 multiplied by 0.5 upon 14 multiplied by 0.5 is equal to 4.5 upon 7. Again 9 upon 14 is equal to fill in the blank upon 42. So 14 multiplied by 3 is 42. So in numerator and denominator we will multiply it by 3. So it's equal to 9 multiplied by 3 upon 14 multiplied by 3 is equal to 27 upon 42. Next 9 upon 14 is equal to fill in the blank upon 3.5. So 14 multiplied by 0.25 is 3.5. So we will multiply in numerator and denominator by 0.25. So 9 multiplied by 0.25 upon 14 multiplied by 0.25 is equal to 2.25 upon 3.5. So therefore 9 upon 14 is equal to 4.5 upon 7 is equal to 27 upon 42 is equal to 2.25 upon 3.5. Now question 2, find the following ratios. First, the ratio of radius to circumference of the circle. Solution: let the radius of the circle be r, then its circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Ratio of radius to circumference of the circle is equal to radius upon circumference is equal to r upon 2 pi r. So r get cancelled is equal to 1 upon 2 pi is equal to 1:2 pi. The ratio of radius to circumference of the circle is 1:2 pi. Second, the ratio of circumference of circle with radius r to its area. Solution: let the radius of circle be r and therefore circumference is equal to 2 pi r and area is equal to pi r square. So the ratio of circumference to the area of circle is equal to circumference upon area is equal to 2 pi r upon pi r square. Pi get cancelled, r get cancelled is equal to 2 upon r is equal to 2:r. Therefore, the ratio of circumference of circle with radius r to its area is 2:r. Third, the ratio of diagonal of a square to its side if the length of side is 7 cm. Solution: length of side of square is equal to 7 cm. Therefore, diagonal of square is equal to root 2 multiplied by side So is equal to root 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 7 root 2 centimeter. Ratio of diagonal of a square to its side is equal to diagonal upon side is equal to 7 root 2 upon 7. So 7 get cancelled is equal to root 2 upon 1. So is equal to root 2 is to 1. Therefore, the ratio of diagonal of square to its side is root 2 is to 1. Fourth, the lengths of sides of a rectangle are 5 cm and 3.5 cm. Find the ratio of numbers denoting its perimeter to area. Solution. Length of rectangle L is equal to 5 cm. Breadth of rectangle B is equal to 3.5 cm. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to twice L plus B. So is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 plus 3.5 is equal to 2 multiplied by 8.5 is equal to 17 centimeter. So area of rectangle is equal to L multiplied by B is equal to 5 multiplied by 3.5 is equal to 17.5 centimeter square. Ratio of numbers denoting perimeter to the area of rectangle is equal to perimeter upon area is equal to 17 upon 17.5 is equal to 17 multiplied by 10 upon 17.5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 170 upon 175 is equal to both numerator and denominator divided by 5, then we get 34 upon 35 is equal to 34 is to 35. Therefore, ratio of numbers denoting perimeter to the area of rectangle is 34 is to 35. Question 3. Compare the following. First, root 5 upon 3 and root 3 upon root 7. Solution. We can cross multiply to compare the numbers. So, root 5 multiplied by root 7 is equal to under root 35. And 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9 is equal to under root 9 square is equal to under root 81. So here 35 is less than 81. Therefore under root 35 is less than under root 81. Therefore root 5 upon 3 is less than 3 upon root 7. Second, 3 root 5 upon 5 root 7 and root 63 upon under root 125. So cross multiplication, 3 root 5 multiplied by under root 125 is equal to 3 multiplied by root 5 multiplied by under root 125 is equal to 3 multiplied by under root 5 into 25 into 5 is equal to 3 multiplied by 25 into 25. 5 square is 25. So we can write is equal to 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 3 multiplied by 25 is equal to 75. And 5 root 7 is multiplied by root 63 is equal to 5 multiplied by under root 7 multiplied by 63 is equal to 5 multiplied by under root 7 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 7 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3 3s are 9. So after coming out of root it becomes 3 multiplied by 7. So 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 105. So 75 is less than 105. Therefore the ratio 3 root 5 upon 5 root 7 is less than under root 63 upon under root 125. Third ratio 5 upon 18 and 17 upon 121. We can cross multiply to compare the fraction. So 5 multiplied by 121 is equal to 605 and 18 multiplied by 17 is equal to 306. So 605 is greater than 306. So the fraction 5 upon 18 is greater than 17 upon 121. Fourth, under root 80 upon under root 48 and under root 45 upon under root 27. So cross multiplication, under root 80 multiplied by under root 27 is equal to under root 2160, and under root 48 multiplied by under root 27, under root 48 multiplied by under root 45 is equal to under root 2160. So 2160 is equal to 2160. Therefore, under root 2160 is equal to under root 2160. Therefore, under root 80 upon under root 48 is equal to under root 45 upon under root 27. Fifth, 9.2 upon 5.1 and 3.4 upon 7.1. To compare these two, we can cross multiply. So 9.2 multiplied by 7.1 is equal to 65.32, and 5.1 multiplied by 3.4 is equal to 17.34. Here 65.32 is greater than 17.34. Therefore, 9.2 upon 5.1 is greater than 3.4 upon 7.1. Remaining questions from practice set 4.2 we will see in next video. Solution of practice set 4.2 part 1 is completed. If you want to see the similar videos, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.